Hello everyone, this is Desi White and this is my video where I would share with you what I have done and what I still need to do in order to complete my transmedia short story project for this month. I wrote the script for this video because I didn't want to say something concerning my project, and I will help myself with the script. Thank you guys for your attention. As you saw on my blog post, my rabbit hole for the story would be the little girl's mom blog, which I created under the name Emilia's Mom Blog, just to be easier. I only have one post on this blog so far, but it is a pretty sufficient contribution to my project, and I believe that I got a really good start with that, and this is not something that I often say for my work, so you can check it out. I also created a Twitter account, which is a virtual space of my other main character, the father. This is where he would share the changes he made in his effort to spend more time with his daughter. And I have 4 tweets so far on this account. Not that many, but it's still enough to get a feel of the situation and what his story is all about. I also have established a Facebook account for Emilia. Facebook is where many parents share pictures and fun moments of their children's life. So I decided that since Emilia would gain the hearts of so many people, it would be appropriate to have a fan page for her. I intend to develop this fan page further and establish it as a virtual space of inspiration for everyone. The purpose of a Facebook account actually for my project was to make the story last longer. Now, what do I have left to do? I haven't done much, I guess, but I still have a lot to do, and I do intend to complete this project and have it to a point where I actually really like it. So, since I enjoy it. So, what do I have left to do? I still have to establish my SoundCloud account, which will serve as it will be a continuation of the story that I have published on the blog, of the mom's blog. And the SoundCloud account would be the end of the story that I present to you, but at the same time, I don't want to put a complete closing that will only bring tears to the listeners and not solution. So for that reason, when people from my audience visit the SoundCloud account, they will have the opportunity to jump to my other link that would be posted there, and this would be a link to a YouTube, and it will present the key moments of my short story, followed by pictures and videos of extremely happy moments that show the life of Emilia, her father, and the mom after the hard times are over. So, and this would be the end of my original story and the beginning of a new life that the father was able to establish for the family. On my map that I turned in last week, I posted on my blog, I made a note that I would also have a ask.fm account, but I'm not really sure if I would include this into my project, even though it would be nice, because hopefully there will be a lot of questions that people would like to ask the parents. So, but like I said, I haven't made up my mind on this one yet. So, I would like this story to be an example of success. It's a very sad story when you first read it, but I want to turn it around and have this transmedia piece spread hope instead of sadness and disappointment. We have enough bad stories on the internet, and it wouldn't hurt if we see more happy endings, right? And this is all from me, guys. I am about to check your videos now because I'm really excited about all of your projects. And thank you so much for your attention. I wish you a wonderful month and the rest of the month, a lot of inspiration and good luck. Thank you.